Good morning, students. Welcome to a new class. Let us start a new exercise, exercise 2.4. In the previous class, we have studied exercise 2.3. Now we are going to study exercise 2.4. So let us start question number 1. So see the first question. Read the first question. Amina thinks of a number and subtracts from it 5 upon 2. She multiplies the result by 8. The result now obtained is 3 times the same number. She thought of it. What is the number? See, what is the number asked? So that will be let Amina ने जो think किया था let Amina thinks. Okay, let Amina thinks this one. Let Amina thinks is x. Yes or no? Now what is there? Amina thinks of a number and subtracts क्या कर रहे हैं वो? She 5 upon 2 subtract कर रहे हैं. So minus 5 upon 2. Yes or no? Now next what is she is doing? She multiplies the result by 8. What we have to do? We have to multiply this result. We put the sign. We multiply this result by 8. That is the result is what the result is obtained. That is 3 times the same numbers. Means the same number is this 3 times the same number. What changing these things about the x number? So 3x. So in this equation, the equation is formed. Have you understood, students? From the question we make the question this equations. Now we have to find out the equations. So let us see how the equation is found. See, now we had got the one equation, that is 8 into x upon 5, x minus 5 upon 2 equals to 3x. So now let us do this. How we are going to do? First multiply this number, or otherwise you can shift this number to this side also. Here it is not like that. You can shift the numbers also. There are two methods. First what you have to do, you have to multiply this 8 by both x and minus 5 2. So let us multiply this number first with x. So 8 into x is 8x. Is it right? Yes. So this 8 into x is 8x. So got the answer. Now what is there? X minus 5. So we'll put the minus sign. Then 8 into 5 upon 2. 8 5 is the 8 up into 5 upon 2 equals to 3x. Same. Now what we are doing? We are just having this. How we are doing? Just see 8x minus 4 into 5. How it is 4 into 5? This 2 ones are 2, 2 4s are 8. So 4 into 5 will remain. Yes or no? So 8x minus 4 into 5 equals to 3x. Okay. Then 4 5s are is 20. Yes or no? So 8x equals to 8x minus 20 equals to 3x. Yes or no? Now what we have to do? Take x one side and number one side. That 8x minus 3x is equals to 20. 8x minus 3x is how much? That is 5x. Yes. Then 5x is equals to 20. Have you understood? 5x equals to 20. This one have you seen? Now what we have to do? We have to shift this 5x equals to 20 is there. Shift this number down. So it is here like that. Okay. This will cut. Then 5 ones are 5, 4 4s are 20. Got the value x equals to 4. Yes or no? We had got the value. So we can say that Amina thinks a number that is 4. Have you understood first question? Now go to second question. What is second question? A positive number is 5 times another number. What is there? A positive number is 5 times the another number. If 2 is added to both the numbers, then one of the new numbers become twice the other new number. So what are the numbers? Now have you read the question what is written? So the answer that is asked 5 times another number. So let us take the other number as x. So let the another number is x. This another number is x. It is what is a positive number. Positive means it is almost plus. So it is positive numbers. Then positive number is how much? It is 5 times another number. It means that positive numbers is 5x. Yes or no? So what should be added? 21 is added. So what we have to do? We have to add 21 number. Yes. Now what is there? Then one of the two new numbers becomes the twice. Twice means 2. यहाँ पे लिखना है. Then what is there? The other new number. Other new numbers means what? The other new numbers को twice means double करना है. It is telling that then one of the new numbers become the twice other new number. See, it means that कि वो double number हो गया. That is 2 into x plus 21 like that. Have you understood, students? See this the equation this is made. Yes, first you know to how to make the equations. So here we had made the equations. Now what you have to do, you have to just multiply this 2 inside. Okay, this 2x, that is 5x plus 21 remains same, yes or no? Then 2 into x is 2x, here it is given 2x, then 2 into 21 is 42 and plus sign will be there. So now see, after that what we will do, we'll shift the number one side and x will take one side. Okay, so what is there, 5x minus 2x we are taking and 42 minus 21. 42 minus 20 is how much, that is 21 same. So 3x equals to 5x minus 2x is how much, that is 3x. So 3x equals to 21. So x equals to how much, what is x, we just what we had just this one, 3x equals to 21, shift this number 3, so 3 ones are 3, 3 sevens are 20. So what will be the value of x, that is 3. Got the number value of x, 3 sevens are 21, we got the value, that is x equals to 7. So another number which is given is 5 number, and this next number which is asked, this positive number, that is 5x. So 5x means what, x value we got 7, that is 5 into 7, that is 35. The other positive numbers we got, that is 5 into 7, that is 35. Got the answer? Now go to question number 3. Read the question number 3. Sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. Means 2-digit number का answer होगा 9. When we interchange the digits, it is found that resulting new number is greater than the original number by 7. Right? What is the 2-digit number? वो 2-digit number we have to find out. So let the 2-digit number be x. Okay. See, the question is asked, the tens place digit is how much, that is 9 minus x. When we interchange, we are interchanging, the digit tens place will be 9 minus x. Then 2-digit numbers will be what is asked. It is given in the question that you can understand that 2-digit number is equals to 10 into tens place digit and unit place digit, that you can understand. So original number, how will you form the original number? The original number will be formed like that, that is 10 into 9 minus x plus x. Have you understood? This is the original number. Now found the, according to the question, how we are going to do? See, new number is equals to this original number plus this 27 which is asked, which is there in the question. Just see here, students, don't be confused. Okay, 27 is given. Now what we have to do, original numbers plus 27, we had formed this original number here. Now we have to add this original numbers with this 27. So got the answer. Let us see how we are doing. New number is equals to original number plus 20. So new number is how much, that is here it is given 10 plus 9 minus x, okay, equals to 10 into 9 minus x plus x. Now we have to, what we have to do, we just have to find the values of x. So how will you going to do, number को एक साथ करना है and x को एक साथ करना है. तो यहाँ पे क्या बचेगा, 9x बचेगा, 9x प्लस 9 बचेगा. फिर यहाँ पे क्या होगा, 117 माइनस 9x. सो 9x को एक साथ करना है एंड नंबर्स को एक साथ करना है. सो 18x इक्वल्स टू 108. सो x इक्वल्स टू 108 डिवाइडेड बाई 18. सो गॉट द आंसर, दैट इज x इक्वल्स टू 6. सो द 2-digit नंबर विल बी 10. नाउ पुट द वैल्यूज 10, 9 माइनस x प्लस x. तो क्या आएगा आंसर, दैट इज 36. हैव यू अंडरस्टूड? द 2-digit नंबर वो कौन कौन से हैं, दैट इज 36 2-digit नंबर के होंगे. क्वेश्चन में पूछा ना, व्हाट आर द 2-digit नंबर्स, 36. हैव यू अंडरस्टूड स्टूडेंट? सी, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, 3 and 4 are similar, so you can do it by your own. Okay, now go to question number 5. Question number 5, Shobho's mother present age is 6 times Shobho's present age. Okay, means वो शोभोस की मदर है जिसका प्रेजेंट टाइम जो एज है वो 6 टाइम्स प्रेजेंट एज है शोभोस के प्रेजेंट का. ओके, सो शोभोस एज 5 years from now. What are their present age? We have to find out the present age. Shobha's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. What are the present age? अभी present age find out करना है शोभोस का. So let us see. Let the Shobho's present be x years. That we can understand. जो भी क्वेश्चन asked होता है उसी को हम almost let it be x लेते हैं. ओके, सो शोभोस का प्रेजेंट एज बी x years. ओके, नाउ अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्वेश्चन हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू मेक द इक्वेशन. फर्स्ट सी शोभोज का मदर प्रेजेंट एज क्या बोला उसने कि 6 टाइम्स किसका है शोभोज का. तो शोभोज का प्रेजेंट एज वी हैव टेकन एज एक्स. तो 6 टाइम्स एक्स मीन 6x हो गया. सो शोभोज की मदर का एक्स प्रेजेंट एज क्या होगा 6x ईयर्स. यस. नाउ हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू मेक द इक्वेशंस. जस्ट सी शोभोज मदर क्या क्या लिखा है. शोभोज मदर का एक्स आफ्टर 5 years पूछा है. हियर दिस सी द क्वेश्चन इज आस्क्ड आफ्टर 5 years. आफ्टर 5 years मीन्स वॉट कि शोभोज का जो प्रेजेंट एज है दैट इज एक्स दैट प्लस दिस 5 years. एक्स ईयर्स प्लस 5 years इक्वल्स टू 1/3 ऑफ हिज प्रेजेंट मदर्स एज. मदर्स एज 6 है तो 1/3 हो गया. ये यहाँ पे आएगा 1/3 और प्रेजेंट एज हो गया 6x. ओके. सो हैव यू अंडरस्टूड हाउ इट इज़ डन. इसका प्रेजेंट एज ये हो गया x, ये प्लस 5 आ गया. So this way we are making the equations. Have you understood? Now see we had made the equations. This one x plus 5 equals to 1/3 into 6x. Now what we have to do, student? Can you tell? See first just cut the numbers also here, or we can transfer this number this side also. So first you have to do this. See how it is done. From this 3 is there now. From 3 we just cut down this. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, so 2x will remain. Okay, so here it is 2x, so we can say that x plus 5 equals to 2x. Now what we have to do, we have to shift this number 2x this side. So here how it is done, that is 2x minus x equals to 5 answer. So 2x minus x is x, that is x minus 5. So what is the present age of Shobhoj? The present age of Shobhoj is 5 years. Now what is the present age of mother's age? Mother's age is 6x. 6x means what? 6 into 5, that is 30. Got the answer? 30 years. Have you understood, student? Now see next question. Now let us see question number 6. Now see search question number 6. There is a narrow rectangular plot reserved for a school in a Mauli village. The length and the breadth of a plot are in the ratio that is 11:4. At the rate 100 per meter, it will be the cost village panchayat 75,000 fence the plot. What are the dimensions of the plot? So let the length and breadth be how much? That is 11:4. So 11x and 4x. Yes. Now perimeter, how we are going to find out? Perimeter equals to total cost divided by cost of 1 meter. Total cost is given in the question, yes or no? So what is the total cost? That is 75,000, and per meter means what? Cost for 1 meter. 1 is 100. So 75 divided by 100 will got the answer 750 meter. Yes or no? Now you know the formula of perimeter of rectangle. Yes, that is 2 into length plus breadth. What you have to do? You know you know length and breadth. Okay, so 750 length and breadth is 11x, length and breadth is 4x. So we put the values, that is 750. Perimeter is, we find out, that is 750 equals to 2 into length is 11x, breadth is 4x. So 11x plus 4x is how much? That is 15x. Yes or no? So 750, this one 750 equals to this 2 into 15, 2 into 15x. Yes. So just see here, 750 equals to 11x plus 2x is how much? That is 15x. Yes or no? Now 750 is equals to how much? 2 into 15 is 30. So it is 30x. So what will be the x value? Therefore x value, this will come down, that is 750 divided by 30. This will come, cut, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. So what will be the answer? That the answer will be 25. Got the answer? So the length of a rectangular plot is how much? 11 into 25. We have to multiply 11 into 25. Okay, first it is 11x है ना? Yes or no? See 11x किसका दिया हुआ है? रेक्टेंगुलर लेंथ का. सो लेंथ हमारा था कितना है? 11x. तो 11x को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 11 इंटू 25, तो 11 इंटू 25 को हम लोग को आंसर मिल गया, दैट इज़ 275. यस और नो. नाउ हमारा ब्रेथ था 4x, तो 4x का वैल्यू है 25, तो 4 इंटू 25 दैट इज़ 100. सो गॉट द वैल्यू ऑफ लेंथ एंड ब्रेथ. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 स्टूडेंट, डू इट बाय योर ओन, it's not very hard. Okay, now go to question number 8 also, you can do it by your own. Question number 7, 8. Okay, now I'm going to explain question number 9. Okay, 9 and 10 both are same. I'm explaining only one question. So let us see. A grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. He is also 50. See, this question is almost same as the question we had done here. This question number 5, it is similar. Okay, so let us see. Question number 5. A grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. He also 550 years older than her father. Find their present age. So the question is asked, find the present age. So let the present age of the granddaughter be x year. Again I told you that either whenever the question is asked, that should be taken as x. So we are taking as x years. Yes or no? So let us next, grandfather's age how much? Here it is told grandfather's told is 10 times older. 10 times older means 10x. Yes or no? Yes. So we are putting 10x. Done. Now according to the question we have to make the equations. So equations will be how much? ग्रैंडफादर का एज क्या था अभी पता किया 10x है, तो 10x हो गया. 10x इक्वल्स टू कैसे करेंगे हम लोग? 10x ये इक्वल्स टू हम लोग करेंगे 10x का ग्रैंड का फादर 10x हो गया. येस और नो? फिर उसमें क्वेश्चन क्या पूछा है? ही इज़ ऑल्सो 50 ईयर्स ओल्डर देन. तो क्या करना है? x को प्लस करना है. x मीन्स इसका एज प्लस 54. सो 10x को ये साइड लेना है, माइनस x हो जाएगा. 10x माइनस x इक्वल्स टू 54 हो गया. नाउ व्हाट विल बिकम 9x इक्वल्स टू 54. देयरफॉर x इक्वल्स टू 9 को यहाँ पे शिफ्ट करेंगे, 9 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो 9 कितने जाएगा? 9 6 जा, तो x की वैल्यू हो गई 6. सो वी कैन से दैट कि ग्रैंड डॉटर्स की एज हो गई 6 ईयर्स ओल्ड. एंड what was the age of that ग्रैंड डॉटर का एज हो गया 6 ईयर्स. नाउ ग्रैंड डॉटर का क्या हो गया? दैट इज़ 10x, तो 10x का वैल्यू 6, तो देन 10 इंटू 6 इज 60 ईयर्स. हैव यू अंडरस्टूड दिस? 60 ईयर्स गॉट द आंसर. 6 ईयर्स का ये और ये 60 ईयर्स. नाउ सेम वे क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 इज ऑल्सो देयर. डू इट बाय योर. इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट यू कैन आस्क मी. दिस इज योर होमवर्क. दिस वन इज ऑल्सो योर होमवर्क. देन okay, many of the questions is similar. Students, don't be think that it is very hard. Do it by your own. If you have any doubt you can ask me. Okay, thank you.